Good day, my viewers. I welcome you to AA Accounting tutorial where accounting topics are being treated. In today's video, we shall be treating or probably preparing a double column cash book that has bank overdraft balance. That has a closing credit balance. Therefore, in the first instance, what do we mean by bank overdraft? Bank overdraft is a case whereby a businessman or a business owner withdraws more than what is having in his account balance. Take for instance, you're having 20,000 naira in your bank account and you withdrew more than 20,000 naira, meaning that you are still owing the bank. As a result of it, we are going to prepare such account for this very particular tutorial. If probably you go back to the videos I've made on double column cash book, I've made a video on how to prepare a simple double column cash book. Likewise, I prepared a video on how to prepare a double column cash book that has to do with the contra entry. Therefore, I read the questions. You are required to prepare a 3-column cash book for ABC Enterprises for the month of March 2019. Therefore, we have ABC Enterprises. This is important while you are preparing your account. Then, what type of account are we preparing? Double column cash book. Then, which year? For the month ended March 2019. I need to buttress a point before preparing this very particular cash book. As we all know that anytime you are preparing your cash book, the debit side is usually greater than the credit side, meaning that you still have balance in your account, as in you still have a cash in your account. That is favorable account. That is favorable balance, sorry. But in the case whereby the credit side is greater than the debit side, meaning that you have no cash in your bank account or probably in your cash account. Therefore, in this case, this balance is regarded as unfavorable balance. Therefore, this is the kind of the double column cash book we are going to prepare. Usually, the balance, we normally have the balance carried down. The balance brought down here. But in this case, our balance brought down will be on the credit side, indicating that we still owe the bank. Therefore, the first question goes thus. Balance at bank, 2,000 naira, March 1st. Then you come here, put March, then put first here, then first. Just say balance brought forward. How much is it? We have it for 20,000 naira. Then March 3rd, purchases of goods by check, 50,000 naira. Come here. Write March, March 3rd, put purchases, okay? Then come to where we're having the bank column, put 50,000 naira here. It is through check. Now, March 7, stationery by cash, 3,000 naira. Then you come here, 5th, stationery by cash, 3,000 naira. You have it on the credit side, all because there are expenses or payments made by ABC Enterprises. Now, receive cash from Dio, 18,000 naira, March 9th, okay? You put Dio. Receive cash of how much? 18,000 naira. Come here on the cash column, put 18,000 naira there. Then March 10, paid wages by check, 1,000 naira. 10th, wages by check 1,000 naira. Put your 1,000 naira here. Then March 12th, cash sales of 10,000 naira. Sales. That is under cash, 10,000 naira. What is the date? The date is 12. Okay. Then March 20th, purchases of goods paid by cash, 6,000 naira. Just put purchases by cash, 6,000 naira. Then this is March 20th. Okay. Then the next thing, 21st, received check from Banji, 15,000 naira. Banji. Then check. How much is it? 15,000 naira. Okay. Then we have it for 21st. Then 23rd, drew check for self, 10,000 naira. Come here. 25th. Sorry, 23rd. Then we have drawings. How much is the drawing? Then we have it for 10,000 naira. That should be check. You put it under bank. Then the next thing, 27th, paid postages by cash, 15. Come here. 27th, postages by cash, 15. Put 15 here. Then the last one, March 29, sold for cash, 3,000 naira. 29 sales for cash. How much is it? 3,000 naira. Then you come here, 3,000 naira. This is how to go about it. I'm done with the posting of the entries into the double column cash book. The next thing is to add the cash column on the debit side, likewise that of the credit side, and see to the one that is bigger or probably greater. Then you come to the bank on the debit side, likewise that of the credit side, and see to the one that is greater, so that you can see to the one that is lesser. Then you can now deduct the lesser one from the greater one. Then I will do that now. So the next thing is to calculate the cash figures. The cash column figures. 18,000 plus 10,000, that will give 28,000 naira, plus 3,000, that is 21,000 naira. Then come here, rule this way to balance it. Just do it this way. Then come to this side as well. Do the same thing. Then you come here, 18, 28, 31. Then we have 31,000 naira for the cash column. Then let's calculate the credit side, the cash column. 3,000, 6,000, that is 9,000, plus 15, that is 10,500. 10,500. Then take it away. Then we have 20,500 naira. So this means 31,000 naira. Then come here as well, write 31,000 naira. Then by the time we deduct this, we have 20,500 naira. Meaning that this is the balance we are still having in the cash account. Then you come here, balance, carry down. Then you come here, this will be March, meaning that at the end of March 31st, ABC Enterprises is having 20,500 naira in his cash account. This is favorable balance, meaning that he still have much money in his account, I mean the cash account. Then you come here, write balance brought down. Then you can now put 20,500. Then come here, after March we're having April. Then meaning that April 1st, this balance brought down 20,500 naira will represent the balance brought forward. Like I usually say, will represent balance brought forward, that is the cash in hand in the cash account. If ABC Enterprises want to prepare for the month of April, it's going to have this as the balance brought forward, meaning that he still have cash in his account. Therefore, this is favorable balance. Now let's go to the other bank column. But don't forget, this side, I mean the debit side, is greater than the credit side for the cash column. That is the reason we have the debit balance here. This debit balance shows that ABC Enterprises still have money in his account, in the cash account. But in this case, 50,000 plus 1,000, 51, this is 61. Put 61,000 naira here. Then come here, 20,000 plus 15, that is 35,000. You can see that the receipt side of the double column cash book under bank column, the figure we have in there, that is the money that comes in, is lesser than what is spent. It's lesser than what it withdraws. This will give us bank overdraft, meaning that we are going to have credit balance at the closing of the account. Now, this 61,000 minus 35,000 this will give us 26,000 naira. Therefore, all you are going to do, come here, write balance carry down. Then this one is nil under the cash. We don't have this. Then you now come here, you write 26,000 naira. 26,000 naira plus all this will give us 61,000 naira. Then you now come here, that is by March 31st, we are going to have balance carry down. Therefore, this very particular balance will now be brought here. You now come here, balance brought down. Then for this, it's nil. We don't have anything. Then you come to the bank column. We have 26,000 naira. This simply means we are having the credit balance, unfavorable balance for the bank account, meaning that this is bank overdraft. This simply means that ABC Enterprises withdrew more than what is having. He's having 15 plus 20, that's 35,000. He has 35,000 in his account, and he withdrew more than 35. He withdrew 61,000. By the time you deduct 35,000 from 61,000, you are going to have 26,000. So this balance will be balance carried down in order to balance the account. You will now bring the balance here. So this is the credit balance. That is the closing credit balance, which is unfavorable balance. I mean the bank overdraft. This is how to prepare double column cash book by arriving at bank overdraft, or you call it unfavorable balance or credit closing balance. Therefore, if ABC Enterprises want to begin or want to prepare for his April accounts, is going to write this very particular one, this balance brought down on the cash column. This will represent the balance brought forward on the debit side under cash column, while this will represent balance brought forward on the credit side under bank column, meaning that it is not something that favor him. He still owes the bank 26,000 naira. This is how to prepare a double column cash book that has to do with the bank overdraft. I mean the credit closing balance. So if you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.